Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, SalesforceFighters. Today start Salesforce Einstein AI developers sensor-based interview questions. Very important video. Start the questions. First questions. You are the management teams want to identify, renew the trend, and predict futures performance using the Einstein. How would you approach this? Expected answer. Use Einstein the analyst to create a details dashboards that visualize, renew, trend, and patterns. Deploy Einstein the forecasting to provide the accurate renew the productions based on historical sales data. Identify key driver of the renew growth or decline using AI insight and present the actionable recommendations. Next questions. Your marketing teams notice low, open and click the thought rate for email campaign. How can Instant AI improve this? Use Instant Management Scoring to analyze audience engagement patterns and property high value contact leverage instant send time optimizations to determine the best time to send emails for each recipient. Implement dynamic content in the emails template based on the instant AI recommendation to the personalized messages. Next questions. How would you instant AI to predict and prevent the potential case escalations in the service process? Use instant the predictions builders to create to model that predicate case escalations likelihood based on the factors like resolutions time, sentiment and complexity, automate alert and predictive proactive workflow for high risk case to prevent escalation strain support agent on utilize AI insight to the address customer concern the effectivity. Next, your sales teams want to identify cross-selling the opportunity for the exiting the customers. How can Instant AI help? Next questions. B2B sales teams want to the personalize outreach to large enterprise client. How can Instant AI basic? Use instant opportunity scoring to prioritize high value the enterprise opportunity, leverage instant the recommendation to the suggest product or service tailors to such client the industry and needs provide real-time insight on the client the engagement patterns using the instant the activity captures. Next questions. You're the sales teams want to the implement mm, selling strategy for the premium the product. How can instant the AI help? Use instant the recommendation the builders to analyze the purchase the patterns and the identify product frequently bought together. Leverage instant next best actions to present relevant the upsell options during the sales interactions. The combined these insight with instant the opportunity insight to the time the upsell suggestions based on deal stage and client the read lines. Next questions. A company want to the provide its partners with the actionables inside to improve the performance. How to would you instant AI to enhance PRM? Next questions. How would you do instant AI help predict success the metric for a large scale corporate event? Next questions. Marketing teams want to improve the emails campaign targeting for hires engagement. How would you instant AI issue assistance? Next questions. Your marketing the teams want to the forecast ROI of the different campaign. How can instant AI help? Expected answers. Next questions. How would you instant AI assist a business proactive predicting which contract are likely to renew? Next question. How would you use instant AI track to enhance employees productivity? Next questions. How would you do instant AI assist in improving the partners engagement in the partners community? Next question. How would you instant assist in identifying and reducing the customer? Next question. How would you instant AI be used to streamline the requirement effort in Salesforce? Next questions. How can instant AI improve the detections and renew in the subscriptions based business models? Next question. How can instant AI be used to improve the efficiently and accuracy of the customer supports in Salesforce? Next questions. How can instant AI help identify and mitigate risks in the sales pipelines? Next questions. How can instant AI help support team reduce backlog and improve case resolution times? Next question. How can the instant AI help predict and prevent the equi- equipment failures in the field service? Next question. How can instant AI assist in nurturing the leads in real times? Next question. How can instant AI help drive the attendance at a marketing event? Next questions. How would you use instant AI identify and mitigate risks ongoing the project? Next question. How can the instant AI help optimize the performance of sales request? Thank you, friends. Very important video. Bye. Take care.